Okay, so just be a little more vigilant. It is really interesting to understand this, and it is very simple. It's not rocket science at all. It's very simple. सबसे पहले हमें पता है सब्जेक्ट तो होना ही होना है, तो यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट है, फिर आपके पास ऑप्शन में है हैज और हैव। जब हम परफेक्ट टेंस करते हैं तो हम वर्ब 3 दैट इज पास्ट पार्टिसिपल यूज करते हैं। अब उसके लिए हमें या हैज या हैव आइदर ऑफ दिस लेना पड़ेगा व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग ऑफ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस। ऑब्वियसली ऑब्जेक्ट हमारा होना ही है साथ में, बिकॉज विदाउट सब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट सेंटेंस नहीं बन सकता, या इट इज रियली रेयर, रेयर केस में सेंटेंस बनता है विदाउट सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट। ओके, नाउ let us see some examples. Here comes the first example. I have visited France 3 times. Okay, I have visited. So it says present, it says perfect tense. Okay, next coming up is she has finished her homework already. Okay, so subject has with ed, okay, ed we are having, and object, but ed के साथ देखो has और have है because it is present perfect. Okay, then you have they have seen the movie twice this month. Okay, so they have seen, we are talking on. Then we have lived in this city for 5 years, and we have he has just started a new job. Okay, अब मुझे ये सेंटेंस के एग्जांपल से बताइए कि हैज और हैव में क्या डिफरेंस है, कब हैव यूज हो रहा है और कब हैज यूज हो रहा है। आप चाहो तो माइक भी अनम्यूट करके हम रेज, आप हैंड रेज करिए टू एक्सप्लेन मी दिस, बिकॉज ये टाइप करना विल बी अ टास्क। सो यू रेज योर हैंड टू एक्सप्लेन मी हैव एंड हैज। Okay, I have a hand over here. Let me see if I can unmute. Okay, I'm Priyanka, I'm unmuting you. So you can unmute yourself. Yes, Priyanka. Has or have बताइए। Priyanka, you can unmute yourself.
हेलो।
Yes, Priyanka.
यस मैम, आई यू वी दे के साथ हम हैव का यूज करेंगे एंड ही शीट के साथ हैज का।
Okay, एक ये simple logic. Next, anything else to explain? Yes, we can take this. Okay, so I'm picking up another person who would like to elongate on the answer. I have Priyanka next over here. Administrator is also raising. Let me check administrator. Yes, I don't know your name. It shows administrator. You can
Good
speak.
evening, ma'am. Hello.
हाँ बोलिए।
Yes, ma'am. It's my name is Asifa, and I'm on laptop. That's why it's showing administrator. On my phone, it's showing my name.
No worries. चलो, I pick up now. So you want to say something? Sorry, बोलिए। Okay, I just pick up one more person. I just, without further delay, I pick up Priyanka. Priyanka, just unmute yourself and say quickly.
हेलो।
Yes, Priyanka, please carry on.
मैम, आई यू वी दे के साथ हम हैव का यूज करेंगे, ही शी इट के साथ हैज का।
Okay, ये हमें बताया। Anything else?
नो मैम।
चलिए, अभी आप वन थिंग दैट आई वांट टू शेयर विथ ऑल ऑफ यू इज, जो आपने बोला वो तो सही है, उसके अलावा सी आई हैव विजिटेड फ्रांस 3 times. When you're going to a particular place, the memory of that place stays in your mind. Okay, the events, the happenings. Okay, तो उसका इफेक्ट आपके साथ रहता है, फाइन। बट जब हम यहाँ पे हैज यूज करते हैं, शी हैज फिनिश्ड हर होमवर्क, होमवर्क कंप्लीट हो गया तो उसका वो टास्क वहां पे फिनिश हो गया। ओके, सेकंड आप देखिए, हैव सीन द मूवी, उन्होंने मूवी देखी है तो उसका जो इफेक्ट है दैट स्टेज विद द पर्सन। ओके, हैव लिव्ड इन द सिटी, living in the city for some time. Again, the memory stays with you. Okay. He has just started a job. Job उसने शुरू कर दी. So over here, a function is started. Okay. So has and have का difference ये भी है. Okay. For those who don't know, I'll just explain. Has और have का difference ये भी है कि has जब आप कोई काम शुरू करते हो वो finish हो जाता है. The thing gets over. But have means जब कोई चीज खत्म होता है उसका इफेक्ट आपके साथ कुछ समय तक रहता है. Fine. So this also is one of the reasons of difference between has and have. Okay. Now, अब आपके सामने आएंगे कुछ fill in the blanks which you will have to answer. Okay. That you have to answer in the chat box, and you have to, in one chat box, you have to give all the answers. Fine. So here I go on with my question for this particular tense, and you have to give all the answers in the chat box. Okay, chat box पे आप आंसर करिए. You need to give visited. She has. Yes, has and have लगेगा. Correct. Has and have will come. Oops. Sorry. Okay. She has. They have. This is a better answer. Priyanka is giving a better answer. You have to give all together. She had. Okay. Okay. Had. मैंने आपको ऑप्शन हैज और हैव का ही दिया है. Okay. Has. Okay. Priyanka got that. Okay. Fine. Fine. Chalo, I move on with the next part because we have to move on with the next part. This answer is here. The answer is here. Okay. She has visited. They have completed. I have read. He has tried. We have seen. Okay. So the answers are over here for your reference. Moving on to the next part, people. So we have a story here for you people. Okay. In this particular story, you have to understand again the tense. Okay, let me see what it is about. Okay, you are raising hand to read it. Chalo, I'll unlock. I really want to pick up somebody who is not a come. Okay, I see Pihul. I see Pihul. Pihul, I'm unmuting you. Let me just see how you read. Yes, you can unmute.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, read.
Sunita has always loved the beach. This summer she has visited in it more than ever before. Last weekend she and her friends spent the whole day by the sea. They have built sand castle, swim in the waves and collected sea shells along the shore.
Okay. Okay, you can pause. See, it was a good reading. Pronunciation was very clear, but be careful of your full stops and commas. Okay. Do lot of mirror activity. You really need it. Okay. Lot of mirror activity karo ya phone pe recording ya wherever you want to record, just record your voice and reread it. Fine. Nice. Good, good. What's your age? What's your age? Okay, I think PU is gone. Let me pick up. I pick up Titli. Yes, Titli, please read. You can unmute and read.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the next paragraph.
Since they arrived, the sun has shone brightly, and they have enjoyed every moment. Sunita has even tried surfing for the first time, although she has fallen a few times. She has had so much fun learning.
Okay, really good reading. So what is your age? Hello, may I know your age? How old are you? Unmute yourself and answer.
Ma'am, my age is 12.
Okay, perfect, perfect. So it was a nice reading, but it really looked like as if you were singing. So be a little bit careful. Just a minute, people. I'll just connect my laptop with the charger. Just give me a minute, please. In the meantime, I'll just pick up one person to read the next rest of the story. Okay. I pick up Shelly Bansi. Okay, Bansi, unmute yourself and read the rest of the story, please.
Okay, ma'am. As the day has gone on, they have taken countless photos to remember their adventures. They have laughed, splashed in the water, and shared stories about their favorite beach memories.
That's really nice. Okay, so it went on nice and it was very calculative. Little bit of modulation would have been really nice. Otherwise, it was good reading. Okay. Shall I move on to the next part of it? Without any further delay, I would just pause the reading here for today. And it's time for us to go through the idiom. It's like before we get late, let me run through the idiom. Beat around the bush means avoiding the main topic of the talk and talking on in other situations. Okay, you're just trying to kill time when you're doing this. Okay, when somebody asks you something, instead of giving the answer properly, correctly about the question, we just tend to give यहाँ वहाँ के आंसर्स. हम कहते हैं ना यहाँ वहाँ की बातें करना. हिंदी में हम जो कहते हैं ना कि you're just killing time. So something like that. That is called beating around the bush. Okay. Stop beating around the bush and tell me why didn't you show up to my birthday party? This is one of the example sentence. All in the same boat means all in the same situation. Okay. All the students were in the same boat when they got punished for coming late to the school. यहाँ पे being हटा देना please. This is one of the typo errors. You can just remove. It says coming late to the school. Okay. So here it means when you all are in the same situation. Okay. We all say we are in the same boat. Okay. जैसे मैम को आप किसी ने मैम मतलब आपको मैम ने डांटा या मे बी आपको आपके बॉस ने या किसी सर ने और मे बी you had some bad day and one of your friend also had a bad day. So आप क्या बोलोगे? Oh, I'm also sailing in the same boat. Okay. For example, आप एग्जाम दे के आए and आपको क्वेश्चन पेपर बड़ा इजी लगा. You were very happy. And then you can another people, another crowd, your classmates meet you. तो वो भी मतलब फिर आप क्या बोलोगे? Of course, the paper was very easy. We all are in the same boat. Means सबके लिए easy था. एक particular situation, एक particular option जो सबके लिए equalize होता हो. Okay. So that is sailing in the same